Honourable members, election by this August House of its deputy chairman is an important event of the session. Deputy chairman has an important role in sharing the responsibility of the presiding over the proceedings of the House for a considerable period every day. I heartily congratulate Sri Harivansh ji on his election as deputy chairman of this August House today. It is an honor conferred on him by this August House. I have reasons to believe strongly that he would live up to the expectations of all sections of the House. I say so based on my interactions with him during the last 1 year as a member of parliament, even earlier also as a journalist. I have noticed Sri Harivansh ji making constructive suggestions in the meetings of the Business Advisory Committee and also my daily meeting with the leaders of various parties. On all such occasions, his suggestions and interventions were very clearly driven by his commitment to enable smooth functioning of the House. If some of you find me being emotional at times about functioning of the House, I can assure you that Sri Harivansh ji is calm, cool and smiling all the time. These traits should help Sri Harivansh ji in discharging his new responsibility as the deputy chairman of this August House effectively. I understand that he hails from a village in Uttar Pradesh bordering Bihar, which also gave birth to one of the great leaders of our country, Sri Jai Prakash Narayan ji, from whom all of us, including me, have taken inspiration. He resides in Jharkhand and a member of this House from Bihar. So UP, Jharkhand, Bihar, all three in one. This kind of association with the three states of our country would certainly give anybody a true pan-Indian perspective. As Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Sri Harivansh ji has a commonality with the chairman who also hails from Andhra Pradesh, resides in Telangana, got elected from Karnataka, and finally, after election from Rajasthan, came to this position. Among the few firsts I have seen of this House during the last 1 year, Sri Harivansh ji is the first to become Deputy Chairman of this House as a first-time member. This is indeed an honor. I compliment him for the same. Like me, Sri Harivansh ji did his schooling in a government school. He took his graduation from Banaras Hindu University. I have read somewhere one of his teachers saying that Sri Harivansh was a keen student and used to talk less normally but pitched in very high logical and convincing perspectives during debates. That should help him in his new assignment. Sri Harivansh ji also worked as a journalist of repute in major media organizations. He was editor of Prabhat Cover. The Honorable Prime Minister was mentioning that when he joined the newspaper, the circulation was only few thousands, but 400. I can share with you, by the time he read the newspaper as the editor, it has reached to almost 10 lakh circulation. That speaks of his capacity. I hope this experience would help this August House find more goodwill from the media. As said, he gave up the comfortable job in nationalized bank to get back to journalism again. This shows he goes by his heart in pursuit of larger convictions and commitments. Sri Harivansh ji also has the experience of governance system because he has been an advisor to the former Prime Minister Sri Chandrasekhar ji. I am also happy that this House could direct its deputy chairman during the session immediately after the vacancy arising. I compliment all sections of the House for this and it should be the way. I also compliment senior member of this August House, Sri B.K. Hariprasad, whom I know him for a year, for contesting in this election in the spirit of democracy. After the contest, we all move forward with the spirit of friendship and cooperation. The entire election went in a smooth manner, in a dignified manner. So I compliment not only both the candidates, but also all the members and different political parties for behaving in a dignified manner. Even as I'm sure, I still formally urge upon all sections of the House to extend full cooperation to the new deputy chairman, as was the case in the past. Friends, there were suggestions from different sides saying, sir, you look left, you look right. I can tell him as the chairman, we should neither look left nor right. We should always be straight about the rules and take care of everybody in the House, whether they are sitting here or sitting there or sitting in front of you. You have to be guided by the certain guidelines, precedents that have been set in the House while taking care of the smaller parties. We should also see to it that everybody gets their due. This is only my advice to him. And some members are also suggesting about, sir, there will be some exceptions where there will be emotion and commotion. If it is an exception, I have no problem. Exception should not be a rule. Please understand that way. And all these regulations are the chair trying to see, to conduct the House is in accordance with the system. That is what is democracy. If everybody starts and speaking same time, you cannot call it as a democracy. Keeping that in mind, if everybody cooperates, as I said in the beginning itself, my operation depends on your cooperation. And the deputy chairman also, I am sure, will go by the rules and regulations. Second, by the aspiration of the people. And thirdly, by the precedents set by various presiding officers of this August House. I once again, on behalf of all, compliment him. Let everybody know his name is not Harivamsa Rai. He is Harivamsa Narayan Singh. But taking the spirit of Jayaprakash Narayan and influenced by thoughts of JP, subsequently, he voluntarily gave up that Narayan Singh and applied to Gazette, got the permission of the district magistrate, and also here in Parliament also, he has conveyed to the Parliament office in the beginning itself that he don't want to be called with any surname. So that means that he has a commitment of not being associated with one community here and there, but that speaks about his character. So he has the character, caliber, capacity and conduct. That is all hope for a better functioning of the House. Thank you very much. The Deputy Chairman may thank the members for the support they have extended.